Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today I want to show you some cool device for generating sequences, both from your leads, bass lines and percussion. So this is a little project I had made with this tool, and it's called the Mono Sequencer. It's a built-in tool in your Ableton, so you will find it in your Max for Live, Max Media Effects, and you have Mono Sequencer. Let's duplicate this track, and I will turn off I will delete the Mono Sequencer I had, and let's just focus on it. So it just gives us the whole CC. That's okay. So we can basically make a randomized pitch pattern, and we can, if you know you are working in some scale, just make it to follow the scale. So we would go edit to scale, and then let's do Phrygian, for example, C Phrygian, or I don't know, G Phrygian. So now when we will draw notes, they will lock into that scale. So that's nice already. Then, so we can steer the pitches here. Then we have rhythm, the bar for the rhythm over here. So let's make some rhythm changes. And let's do some polymeter here. That sounds already nice. Let's add some velocity movement. So this is basic sequencing stuff, but what I like a lot about it is that you can set separate length for each parameter, and also you can set how it will behave. So how it will be read. So yeah, up and down, you know that, down, so it always goes down, or maybe drunk, so it's really random, but random drunk, but we can go random. Okay, and random works that way when there is like the biggest possibility to hit the highest value of the parameter. So then we can set up some octave changes, which is really nice. And let's, for example, yeah, and we got this, and so we got that variation added. Then we can set duration for each note, which, yeah, let's set up the polymeter, let's add up and down maybe. And this bit I like a lot, and I think this is what sets up this parameter, this sequencer from rest, that you can add those rolls. So for example, let's add the roll maybe, oh, right now, so we have like a, and it's quite okay, but now it's very predictable. Let's use, yeah, some different length, and we can add a bit of like a velocity curve, so it goes up and goes down, at least with this one. So it's not that abrasive. I like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, I would say. We can set up how the patterns also should work. For example, over here we go over 1 1 1. We can set that, for example, it will go to the whole time of that lower bar, and then it will reset. Yeah, so you can set that it will count twice. We can also now play with that loop. So when I trigger, let's see how that sounds in the context. Nice. I probably like it even more than that one. Yeah, so now let's add some swing. And now let's play this sequence. So it will behave like, maybe you know the sequencers from synths, your hardware synths, when you have some sequencer in the hardware synths and then you press a note and it plays that sequence you have programs. We can have the same. We can also play in the pitch, play in the velocity, play in both, which I don't have because I don't own the keyboard at this moment, but we can play this. So right now I have transpose and the track is triggered. So because I have enabled this keyboard on my Ableton, I can now play. So I'm playing G, I'm playing C octave above. I can play this lower. Yeah, so it's a really nice way to add variation and maybe use that in the live context. So this is really nice. So then let's move to the Maracas. So this is the thing, the sequence I did with the mono sequencer. This is also nice, and the technique you might know from using other sequencers like maybe Snake. But let's take it and maybe let's do something from scratch, maybe on the different sound. So let's go to sounds. Let's pick up some hi-hat, for example, maybe some long hi-hat. Oh, that would be perfect. So this is our hi-hat, and let's program something from scratch. I'm super curious what we're gonna end up with. Yeah, so this is pretty basic for the start, only the C's. So I want to get a randomness. So within this guy, you can set up the amplitude of the randomness. Yeah, so it gives us a lot of random. Nice. Let's maybe shorten the decay. Nice. Let's add then maybe up and down. Yeah, let's lower some notes. Okay, let's add some velocity, roll. And let's let's focus on that second half. Let's add some rhythm changes. I have a lot of echo, so you can hear it without echo. Let's add some octave rolls here and there. Let's program this. And then let's maybe make a changes for one and do, I don't know, let's do drunk. Okay, duration, we're only gonna get as much duration as the decay allows us. And then let's add some rolls. This will sound really awesome on hi-hat. And let's add some. Nice. And then let's add random. So we get some randomness. Let's add some swing. Okay, and let's hear that in the context. Okay, I actually prefer it when it's a bit lower. Let's add a bit of echo. Of course, everything depends on the sounds you have. If we switch this sound, we will get different results, because this is pretty metallic, and I would like to have something more, I would say more organic, maybe that one. Awesome. Let's make the whole thing shorter, so we can set up how long is the loop with this guy. And right now what I would like to do is actually to record this on the separate audio channel, because I will show you some cool trick which will allow you to add a bit of variation to those sequences. We will use the repeat. Let's change that. Yeah, we can add those like rolls. Let's try this one. Okay, I think that's it. Now we can turn this guy off, and we have this recorded, and we can just play with that one. Yeah, so that would be pretty much it. Let's come back to that that loop with Maracas, because I think I liked it the most. Let's compare. yeah, so mono sequencer built-in stuff. I found out about it because of the Viels masterclass we had in our Hypnotic Techno production community. So you can check out the link below. And also there is a cool tutorial about the whole mono sequencer, which I will link above from the guys from SickLinks. And yeah, use it, generate great results, have fun, play with it. I think it's awesome, and I think it will push your creativity and your ideas forward. And if you want to finish more tracks, make sure you watch this video on my right side, your left side, when I will show you 3 productivity hacks which will make you finish more tracks. Till the next time, bye.